Hello everyone, I am Soumya from Barnacus College, Kundapur. Now I am here to present hydrogen peroxide. We know it is the most commercially studied reagent. The topics to be covered in this video is its properties, preparation, introduction, reaction, hydrogen peroxide in biological word, hydrogen peroxide in the drug field and its uses. Okay friends, let us begin the video. Hydrogen peroxide. We all know it is a chemical compound that is a combination of hydrogen and water. It is a clear liquid, acts as a mild antiseptic and comes in various potencies depending on its purpose, like 3% for household use, 6 to 10% for hair bleaching, 35% for food grade and 90% for industrial use. When we take it in a pure form, it is a very pale blue liquid, slightly more viscous than water. It also has other names like dioxidine, oxidanyl, perhydroxyic acid, orthohydroxiol, dihydrogen dioxide, peroxan, and in common it is also known as oxygenated water. We know hydrogen peroxide is a thermodynamically unstable molecule and it is a very dilute solution, and its storage requires cool temperature and acidic conditions. These are some of the things we already know. But hydrogen peroxide has some special properties. Okay friends, let us learn. It is a non-polar molecule with twisted symmetry. Although the oxygen-oxygen bond, this oxygen-oxygen bond is a single bond, the molecule has a relatively high rotational barrier of about 29.45 kJ per mole when compared with ethane of about 12.5 kJ per mole. The increased barrier is ascribed to repulsion between the lone pairs of the adjacent oxygen atoms and results in hydrogen peroxide displaying. The figure shows there is a slight difference in the molecular structure of the gaseous and the crystalline hydrogen peroxide. We all see. We can ask why it happens. One question arising. This is because of the effects of the hydrogen bonding in the crystalline state, which is absent in the gaseous state. Hydrogen peroxide is a manufactured chemical compound. Although the small amount of gaseous hydrogen peroxides occur naturally in air, let us study the preparation of hydrogen peroxide by commonly used method, anthraquinone process. It is a process for the production of hydrogen peroxide. The industrial production of hydrogen peroxide is based on the reduction of oxygen as in the direct synthesis from the elements. Instead of hydrogen itself, however, a 2-alkyl anthraquinone which is generated before from the corresponding 2-alkyl anthraquinone by catalytic hydrogenation with palladium. Oxygen and the organic phase react under the formation of the anthraquinone and hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide is then extracted with water and in a second step separated by fractional distillation from the water. The hydrogen peroxide accumulates as a sump product. The role of the anthraquinone here is the catalyst. We know hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizer. It is used for the oxidation of carbonyl group of the aldehydes and ketones into hydroxyl group, carboxylic acids into peracids, nitriles into amides, trialkyl boranes into alkyl borates, and so on. Let us study the reaction of the hydrogen peroxide and how it reacts and how it plays a role as one of the reagent by Dakin reaction. First, we should know what is Dakin reaction. The preparation of phenols, the aryl aldehydes or aryl ketones involving the oxidation of corresponding aromatic compounds by hydrogen peroxide in the presence of a base and a subsequent hydrolysis of the aromatic or alkyl carboxylate intermediate is known as Dakin reaction. The replacement of an aldehyde or acetyl group in phenolic aldehydes or ketones by a hydroxyl group using hydrogen peroxide in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide solution. The reaction needs the presence of phenolic group at ortho and para position to the carbonyl group. Okay, let us study the mechanism of the Dakin reaction. In this reaction, we use hydrogen peroxide in a basic condition. Now, hydroxyl ion or OH- ion will abstract this particular proton and bond will be broken, and this bond will fall on oxygen and it gives a nucleophile HO- and water molecule. In the case of orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, OH is an electron releasing group at ortho or para position in the phenolic carbonyl compound. The aldehyde group is a polar in nature. Due to difference in electronegativity, oxygen being more electronegative, oxygen gives electron pairs. This carbon is susceptible for the nucleophilic attack. Therefore, they prepared a nucleophile from the hydrogen peroxide simply attacks at this carbon, which lead to the formation of an intermediate A. Here, the hydroxyl ion or OH- ion ultimately get detached. Due to this, oxygen becomes electron deficient, and at this point, ultimate rearrangement takes place and leads to the formation of an intermediate B. And this on hydrolysis gives the product ortho and para substituted dihydroxybenzaldehyde and corresponding carboxylic acid is formed. Let us study the role of hydrogen peroxide in biological world. Hydrogen peroxide is one of the most extensively studied reactive oxygen species in both biology and medicine. It is generated constitutively from various cellular processes, either directly through 2-electron reduction of molecular oxygen or indirectly through dismutation of superoxide. The notable direct cellular sources for hydrogen peroxide includes xanthine oxidoreductase or monoamine oxidase, endoplasmic reticulum oxyreductin 1, and oxidases in peroxisomes. Because of high activation energy, we know it is an energy which must be provided to a chemical or nuclear system with potential reactant to result in chemical or nuclear or any other various physical phenomenon. Because of high activation energy, hydrogen peroxide reacts poorly with most cellular constituents. However, it may oxidize the thiol groups in certain proteins and enzymes, including these involved in cell signaling and transduction. Hydrogen peroxide controls signaling pathways in cells by oxidative modulation of the activity of the redox sensitive proteins denominated redox switches. Let us study the importance of the hydrogen peroxide in the field of drugs. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild antiseptic used on the skin to prevent infection of minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It may be used as a mouth rinse to help to remove mucus or to relieve minor mouth irritations. It works by releasing oxygen when it is applied to an affected area. The release of oxygen causes foaming, which helps to remove dead skin and clean the area. The ATSDR states that hydrogen peroxide can be toxic only if injected or inhaled or by contact with skin or eyes. Its medicine may be harmful if swallowed. Hydrogen peroxide is used in some class of drugs like topical anti-infectives. Hydrogen peroxide topical is used in the treatment of oral and dental conditions, seborrheic keratosis. Some of the medicine brand names which contain hydrogen peroxides are Periox, Escata, Proxacol, Perimax, Periorens. Hydrogen peroxide has a vast application both in industrial and household purpose. It is used in bleaching and deodorizing of textile and wood pulp, hair, fur, etc. as a source of organic and inorganic peroxide. In the pulp and paper industry, as a rocket fuel, we used hydrogen peroxide. In the manufacture of glycerol, also we use hydrogen peroxide. In electroplating, as an antiseptic, in oxidation and reduction, in viscosity control for starch and cellulose derivatives, in refining and cleaning metals, in neutralizing agent, in wine distillation, in sea disinfectant. Also we use hydrogen peroxide. These are the just few things to know about the hydrogen peroxide. If the information of this video is useful to you, please like this video and support me. Thank you for watching, friends.